Welcome back to One Crafty Ginger. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance finds, haul videos, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. We're only 12 days away from Christmas. Thank you so much for joining me. I will list all the gals in our Vlogmas crew in the description box below, so definitely go check them out. You don't want to miss out on all the fun content they've been posting this month. Speaking of posting, I'm sorry I have been a little MIA. I've been like super tired and not feeling super great, so I haven't been doing a lot of videos, but never fear, I am here today with a super fun project. As always, a list of the supplies needed will be in the description box below, and without further ado, let's get started. For this project, you'll need one of these candy jars with lids from the Dollar Tree, some bottle brush trees of your choosing, some faux snow. We have options here, and then there's the faux snow with like the little balls. And if you can't find faux snow, check it out. They even have confetti that looks like snow in the party section. And then some lace ribbon or ribbon of your choice. This is also from the Dollar Tree. And if you can't find this, they have the crochet lace that you can use as well. So for this one, it's going to be so easy, you guys. You're not going to stand it. You're not going to believe how easy it is. So I'm just going to take off the tag here. And then I'm just going to take my bottle brush trees and stick these in here. You can glue them down if you want. I'm just going to kind of stick them in there for now. And then you're going to take your faux snow. Sorry about that. So I have my trees in my jar. I'm going to take my faux snow here. And it's a little messy, so watch out. And I'm just going to dump my faux snow into my jar. And you can fill it up or as much as little as you like. And then I'm going to take my lid here and some Dollar Tree lace that you can use. Or like I have some really pretty vintage lace, so I'm actually going to use that, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand. And I'm just going to tie some of this lace around the top of my jar. You could tie a bow if you'd like, or you could just let it hang, whatever you want to do. And then I'm just going to stick it right on top there. Actually, I think I'm going to tie a bow. We're doing this as we go. Okay. Sadie is on the struggle bus again today. When am I not on the struggle bus? I feel like I'm on the struggle bus pretty frequently. Just going to try to tie just a small bow at the top because I really want some of this ribbon to hang over. And then voila. Look at how pretty that is to display for not just Christmas time, but you could display this all winter long. For this project, you'll need the candy jar with lid 2 packs from the Dollar Tree. Some little bottle brush trees, like the itty bitty ones. Wood slices from the Dollar Tree. Some faux snow of your choosing. They got confetti in the party section if you can't find snow. They got the faux snow little balls. And then also If you want to zhuzh it up, some ribbon of your choice. And a glue gun. So I'm just going to take my jars here. And, oh, sorry, I also forgot to tell you, you're going to need some of these little figures that you can get like from the Dollar Tree and like the Christmas house section. Christmas house. It's all Christmas house in like the little Christmas village section. You just want to make sure that it fits and that you can put the lid on top. So I got my little guy here. Make sure the lid fits. If you want to raise him up, you can put something underneath him if you want. So let's see here. What do I got? What do I got? So I'm going to make sure this all fits before I glue it down. And it does. Perfect. So I'm going to just glue my little bottle brush tree down here. And I'm going to glue Mr. Santa Claus. They also have like snowmen and like the little people. So you can really just do whatever you want. So we're gluing Santa Claus down here. Make sure we can get the lid on. We can. Perfect. Perfect. So now I'm just going to add some of my Faux Snow to the jar. Stick this upside down to twist it on. Make sure he fits. He's kind of covered in snow, but that's okay. That's all right, y'all. And then take my ribbon here, because we're going to glue the ribbon around the bottom to zhuzh it up a little bit here. So I'm going to just put some glue here on the back. And then I got my trusty spatula here from the beauty department because I don't want to burn my fingers. Save the fingers. And then I'm just going to put some more glue on here. Just a little bit to keep it secure. And if you want to do this as just a winter scene, you can just use bottle brush trees inside and the buffalo check ribbon. And then that way it's more of just a winter scene and not exactly Christmas. All right, so you have this super cute little snow globe, and it is adorable as it is, but we're going to make it extra fancy with the wood slice here. I'm just kind of pick out what size wood slice I want to use. We're going to use a smaller one. And check this out, guys. I'm going to get some glue. And we're going to glue this on to the wood slice like so. And there you have it. A super cute, kind of fancy snow globe. How adorable is that? Thank thank you so much for joining me today and spending some time with me. I hope you enjoyed today's projects. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It's completely free. It helps me out. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Join my YouTube family. We have a lot of fun here. We have a lot of laughter, shenanigans, dogs. It's your one-stop shop for your entertainment needs. And before I let you guys go today, it is Vlogmas. So as I mentioned, we have some wonderful ladies in our Vlogmas crew. We have Marina from Confessions of a Dollar Tree Addict, Constance from Butterfly Mom Creations and More, Sadie from Sweet Sadie J TV, Denise from Denise's Hauls, Virginia from Frugal Finds, and Gretchen from Thrift is My Gift, and Amy from the Gigi and Ollie Show. So all those ladies will be listed in the description box below. And in honor of Vlogmas, I am doing a Christmas giveaway slash subscriber appreciation gift for you guys to say thank you so much for supporting my channel, for being here with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. So let's go ahead and jump into this giveaway to show what the lucky winner will win. So the first thing in this giveaway is going to be, there's so many things in here. We have the Yardley Deep Cleansing Facial Towelettes. We have a gorgeous glitter red shiny nail file. It's for you, Constance. We have a cranberry and sweet orange bath fizzer from Bolero. We have a super fun candy cane swirl lip balm with the Mickey Mouse ears. How fun is that? We got the Flower Lash Warrior mascara in the brown. Let's see what else. I know there's more in here. Let's see. We got the Freeman Flirty Foot Overnight Foot Treatment Cream. And to go with that, you guys, a pair of fuzzy Snuggadoo socks to put your tootsies in once you put your lotion on, so your feet will get all nice and soft. I have, it's here at the bottom, a Prideful Eye Candy 9 Shadow Eyeshadow Palette in Margot. These gorgeous colors. And I also have a set of the Must Have Beauty brushes. We have the large powder brush in the glitter pink. We have the foundation brush in the glitter pink. And we have the eyeshadow brushes in the glitter pink. And to put your brushes in, I'm including this super fun You Got This pink. So they all match with the pink makeup case or makeup pouch. I have included the Satin Beauty pink pillowcase. What else have I got in here? Oh, a Vivo Midnight Glow Peel Off Face Mask. So you get a whole bunch in there with the spatula applicator. We have the Aromatherapy Body Wash and Sponge in Grapefruit and Peppermint. The Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas sign. My favorite mug that they did this year, you guys. This is so cute. The North Pole Bed and Breakfast Hot Cocoa served here. Isn't that like the cutest mug that you've ever seen? And I have also included a copy of the Book of Holiday Awesome. You guys, this is so funny. I found a couple of these at one of my local Dollar Trees, which is really funny because it was great. So it's, I love this book. Let's see. Oh, here we go. So drinking anything besides wine out of a wine glass. Suddenly your milk gets classy, your orange juice gets refined, and your chocolate milk feels more sophisticated. When you're a kid, you suddenly go from 10 years old to 30 and can legally show up at the kids' table with heavily slicked and parted hair, a handkerchief puffing out of your pocket, and cufflinks. Awesome. So this is a fun book, and it's not just Christmas. They have on here Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, other holidays, Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, Halloween. It is super fun. I am including I found this just yesterday at Walmart, the red and black buffalo check scarf It was only 50 cents, y'all. So you could put this on your dog, you could put it in your hair, you can wear it around your neck, you can make a bracelet, you could put it, oh, you could put it on like your purse, like a scarf purse scarf. That would be super fun for the holidays. And then last but certainly not least, I'm including a pair of these really fun black and red buffalo check button earrings from my friend over at Button Bazaar. She is fantastic. I will put her information in the description box below. So if you go check her out, let her know that I sent you. So that, you guys, is everything that will be in my subscriber appreciation gift for Christmas. Merry Christmas from me to you. So to enter to win this fabulous gift, you have to like this video. You have to be a subscriber. You have to live in the continental United States with a United States postal mailing address. Sorry, international friends, it's not that I don't love you. It's just shipping is just outrageous. You have to be over the age of 18, and you have to comment down below #Merry, #MERRY. I will pick a winner for this gift in one of my upcoming videos or a post, so you'll have to just stay tuned and keep your eyes peeled because you don't want to miss out if that is you. Thanks again so much for spending some time with me. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season, no matter how you celebrate. I appreciate and I'm thankful for each and every one of you. And until next time, goodbye.